All right, so here's the winch that I bought for my truck. It's a Ford F350. I've actually purchased two of these winches. I had one on a Tacoma. It was a 2020 Tacoma. And then I decided I wanted to get one for my F350. And I originally purchased this thinking that I would use a kind of a modular mounting system, the kind that goes in the receiver hitch of the truck. And then I was going to purchase a front mount receiver hitch, and then I could use the rear mount, and then I would also set up some mounts on the different utility trailers that I have, and then I could move it around. Well, once you do that, this becomes really heavy, so I decided I wanted to switch over and just do a permanent mount on the truck, and I'll show you the mount that I purchased for that. So I was able to get this winch. I got it for less than $400, and then or less than $500. Excuse me. I got it for less than $500. I just looked at my order, and I saw that I was able to. I had a pretty good coupon, and then I can't remember what else I had, but it was $517 shipped to my house. So with taxes and everything, it was a little bit less. Anyways, had good luck with the winch. I use it quite a bit to help with installing tracks on my skid loader, and then obviously pulling myself out if I need to. I do a lot of remote work in the mountains, just trying to reduce fire fuels and things. So I'm usually in the mountains by myself, and I just needed an extra hand, so I ended up picking up this winch. So far, I like it. The controller's really good. It's held up great. Man, I've washed it quite a few times in the car wash, and everything's looking good. So I really like the winch. And then if you look right here, you compare it to buying a Warren winch. You know, you're saving yourself. Let's see. That's about the third. If you pay full retail for both of them, it's a third of the price. And that's what I figured. I was like, man, I can buy 3 of these winches before I bought one of these. So now let's go look at the mount that I purchased right here. So here's the mounting system I ended up going with. This is the Weston Sportsman winch mount grill guard combo. You can purchase just this winch mount right here, or you can buy the two together. And I like it. It's good. I've run grill guards on other trucks before. I like them. They're nice to have, and it looks good. And it may protect my truck's headlights in the front of the truck if I was to hit a deer or something. So that's a plus. And then it has these mounting holes right here if you ever want to add a light bar or anything to your truck. And I believe that I was able to purchase the entire kit shipped to my house, and it was less than $800. I can't remember where I bought it from. It wasn't directly from Weston Automotive. It was from somewhere else, and it was a lot cheaper. I think the kit was about $600, and then to get you on shipping, it was about $150 for shipping. So it was less than this shipped to my house. Install went super good. Basically remove the factory tow hooks, mount this up where the tow hooks were, and then there's lower mounting spot. I'll show you on my truck. There's lower mounting spot that goes through the air dam, so you got to cut that out, and then they bracketed it back up to the frame, and then yeah, you put your winch on. That was super easy. The Harbor Freight winch, fit it really good, really well. Yeah. Let's see if we can see some of the other mounts that they have here. So here's the Hdx mount. This one's super nice. Looking here. Real heavy duty. But the price, it was almost twice as much as the other one. So I just went with this one to see how it would work. Obviously you get heavier duty grill guard. Same winch mount here. This is one of the only places that I could find a winch mount / grill guard for the for that new body style of the Fords, and I like this one too, I guess. Yeah, so you can just buy this winch tray right here. So that's a pretty good setup right there. The winch tray, $500. So you could be just over $1,000. You could have a winch and a winch tray, winch mount for your F350, and then you just got to decide which grill guard you want, or if you don't want one, you don't have to get one. This is a Max faceplate. I haven't seen this before. And I didn't purchase any of these. I didn't get the tow hooks, because I'll show you real quick. The winch tray has these large openings on it right here. And if you get some soft loops, I actually just bought the soft loops from Harbor Freight. You can loop those through, and then you could run the winch back to this if you had a snatch block or something you wanted to hook back into. So I just have those soft loops. Let's see if I can see some down here. Harbor Freight. What are those called? Let's go to winches and see. Winch accessories. D-ring shackles. Oh, right here. Soft shackles. So I actually bought a couple of these soft shackles right here. These things are cool. Doesn't matter where you get them from. They're way cool. So yeah, I bought a couple of these, and they'll just loop back through here. So I didn't worry about buying the winch tray, tow hooks, and then the winch mount license plate. I just left my license plate right where it is, and you can kind of see it, so it's good enough for me. Yeah. Okay, so here's my setup. Got the winch, the grill guard, and the winch mount. I think it looks pretty good, and I like it, and it's working out really well.